What makes a business stand apart from the rest and withstand the test of time? Aditya Birla Group has swiftly emerged in the league of Fortune 500 companies. They've been known as nation builders for the last 165 years, spread across 41 countries, 178 manufacturing locations, and 185,000 employees across 100 nationalities. Aditya Birla Group generates over Rs 5 lakh crore revenue across cement, metals, fashion retail, textiles, telecom, and financial services, with multiple market-leading brands to boast about. Aditya Birla Group now breathes life into the universe of paints to bring endless possibilities in the world of colors. Welcome to Birla Opus, rooted in the values of building spaces that uplift, inspire, and empower the people in it. Tailored to align with the global mega trends, Birla Opus offers a high-quality range of paint solutions for retail and institutional use. To make sure every coat inspires and uplifts the space it adorns, Birla Opus has invested Rs 10,000 crores in building one of the largest installed capacities of 1.3 billion litres of paint per annum to be produced at 6 high-tech state-of-the-art factories for in-house manufacturing. And with backward integration to ensure strict quality control. Our R&D center spans across 42,500 square feet area and has 100 plus research experts with collectively 1,000 plus years of experience. It's not just research, it's the dawn of new hope. It's a magnum opus designed to elevate experiences. We at Opus understand that paint isn't just color. It has the power to bring alive better work culture, bring harmony to every space it touches, and transform human lives. We aim to do this consistently with the strongest distribution network of 150 plus depots and one of the largest team sizes in the paint industry. At Birla Opus, the distinctive needs of each sector, whether retail or institutional, act as a guiding force for the solutions we create. Taking our commitment a step further, we are proud to present Birla Opus Prime, our institutional solutions, stepping into a world of future possibilities. A world that builds connection, fosters hope, and provides the joy of community, interspersed with the finesse of business expertise. It is an ensemble of services with a diverse product portfolio that offers unique and carefully crafted personalized experiences. It addresses your every need, supported by a team of highly accomplished sales and services experts who have devised a market servicing process to accomplish one goal: building excellence and simplification for each and every stakeholder in the chain down to the last man. Whether you're a consultant, contractor, or an institution, we cater to every specific requirement that you have across sectors. Our aim is to simplify the landscape of institutional paints for a wide range of partners with personalized solutions that help them excel. Our wide range of products cater to all kinds of requirements and is available across 2,400 colors. With 250 plus unique color ideas, we strive to establish exemplary benchmarks that are rooted in innovation and excellence of service. Birla Opus Prime, unveiling a new palette of exceptional paint solutions delivered with a world-class service experience. Armed with the DNA of the revolutionary parent Aditya Birla Group, Birla Opus is here to transform the sector and create opportunities that serve for truly unique and high-impact experiences. Step into this kaleidoscope of endless solutions and discover what you truly deserve. Birla Opus Prime. Let's paint possibilities.